In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Splitwise data permanently. Maybe you've stopped using Splitwise, or you're just trying to clean up your digital footprint. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow so your data is removed from your Splitwise account. We'll go slowly, and you can pause the video at any time to follow along on your own screen. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. You'll want to double check you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one email address. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you should see your profile icon or your name. Go ahead and click on that profile area in the upper right. When you click on your profile, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where all your personal preferences and account details are managed. Give the page a moment to load and just confirm that the information shown, like your email address, matches the account you intend to delete. On the account settings page, scroll down until you find the option that says Close Your Account. This is the section Splitwise uses for account deactivation and data removal. Click on Close Your Account to move forward. At this point, it's a good idea to be certain this is what you really want, because closing your account is meant to be permanent and may remove your expense history and related data. After you click Close Your Account, Splitwise will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your account password. Carefully type in your current password in the field provided. This security step helps make sure that only you can deactivate your account. Once you've entered your password, look for the button that says Deactivate Your Account. When you're ready, click on Deactivate Your Account. After this, Splitwise will begin the process of closing your account and permanently deleting your data according to their policies. You may be logged out automatically, and you should no longer be able to access your expenses or groups. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process to permanently delete your Splitwise data.